Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the chiropractor.
Let's see. Come down a little bit. That's good, right there. You comfortable there?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little stuck here.
Yeah.
Here. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. That's good. That's good. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. That's good. Yeah. Good. I'm gonna drop this a little bit. Okay, we're down here. Go. Let's see this side too. There we go. Okay.
They're all quite loose today, which is lovely.
Yeah, this one was the one that needed it more.
I waited a week after I wanted to come because I was, I had a 5-day hangover, to be honest. I don't like being touched when I'm hungover, so I thought I'd wait.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it seems to have eased a bit. You can feel there's some tightness down there.
Let's see you face up now. Okay. A little bit more down this way. No, that's good. Let's see. This. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, loosen your shoulder a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out. That's good. All right, you can put your arms.
That's just the old neck, my favourite.
Okay. Scoot up a little bit. A little more. That's good. Let's see here. Relax. Relax. Yeah, it's a little stuck here. Right here. Let's see this side one moment. Relax. Okay, we're gonna do the one on both sides. This side's pretty stuck too. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay?
Yeah, I think that went, to be honest. I don't know if it needs another one. Sorry, you're the expert.
Well, we're gonna do one down here.
Okay, that's
All right. Relax. That's good. Let's see this side. Yeah, a little bit down there. But this one's relax. Okay. And one down here. Relax. There we go.
Ooh.
Yeah. So pretty much this.
Yeah, it's the old old saxophone bone is what my old chiropractor called it.
Yeah.
Because it's where my saxophone sling sits. And
Okay.
it pulls my neck down from that point. Got a bit of a hunchback thing going on.
I don't think it was as bad as last time.
No, last time's the worst it's been since I've
Okay.
been here.
Yeah, this time, I mean, you had some fixations there, but not as bad as last time.
This is just standard me pain, whereas last time I was actively injured. Are you done with me?
Yeah, you can get on your side first.
I feel so much better now. My neck was all kinds of locked up, but now I feel really good. So 100% definitely recommend it. Head to the description box to find out more. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now. I can actually turn my head, which is really exciting. And now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get back to editing the album cover for my new single that's coming out really soon. I'm really excited about that. And then when I've done that, I'm gonna go to the bar and get drunk because tomorrow is San Juan, baby! San Juan Festival is the summer solstice festival here in Spain, and I am really excited because it's my favourite day of the year, and it's actually the reason that I moved here was San Juan Festival. So yeah, really, really happy. Let's go.